How to stop the camera to auto-adjust the color and contrast of a picture after taking the shot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls. Then tap on the settings icon. And from here, go down and then tap on intelligent optimization. In here, if you have seen optimizer turn on, you can switch it off, and this will stop the phone from automatically optimize the color and contrast of pictures. And you can also choose minimum optimization. So here it says take pictures as fast as possible by not optimizing pictures after they are taken. So you can simply just select minimum here and then go back to your camera by tapping on the back key. And after, if you take a pictures, it will not adjust the color of a picture or the contrast color. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.